morning, or maybe good night today. Let's have a pillow talk. Today I want to speak about sleeping. I think it's so interesting topic. I'm Violetta and Russian for foreigners. So let's start from the nap. Nap in Russian. Also we have this condition, especially when you're waiting someone in a car, or maybe you are tired but you have a time to sleep a bit. You know what does nap mean. So in Russian, oh, where is my marker? Okay, let it be here. So in Russian, it's вздремнуть. Вздремнуть maybe 20-30 minutes, maybe 10. Okay, it depends on situation. Okay, can I leave it here? Maybe I will sleep after. Maybe let's вздремну немного. Okay, I think you will not wake me. Okay, imagine when you are sleeping for 20 minutes, you have a dream, right? And this dream, maybe it's a bad dream, maybe it's good, but let's talk about good dreams. Good dreams means сон. You have a dreams, so dream, it's a song, dreams, сны. Сон, dream, сон. I have a good dream about you, maybe. Good dream, хороший сон. Хороший сон. If it's a bad one, it's a плохой сон. But we don't have one word like nightmare. We have two. Плохой сон. I can awake, like nervous. Why you awake? Because of the bad dream. It means nightmare. But again, we don't have one word. We have two. Bad dream means плохой сон. When you are talking about catching some z, you have this z. You see my Russian friends are snoring and sleeping while I'm talking with you. Why this guy is sleeping? Okay, he will sleep. I will awake him after, don't worry. Okay, I will not touch him, okay. Catch some z, it means also вздремнуть. So for us it's the same, nap and catch some z. It's the same, вздремнуть. For 20 minutes can be. So, but what I like since my childhood, it's my lovely part when I'm starting preparing for my amazing dreams. So fairy tale story. You see, you have fairy tale, sorry, 3 words, but we have one. We have сказка. Сказка начинается. Сказка, it means fairy tale, story starting. Story starting. Starting means начинается. It means like you're open your window and someone starting telling you nightmare stories. Okay. We will never sleep after. Okay, joking. Fairy tale story. Сказка. Сказка. Once upon a time, we have also these starting nice words. Давным-давно, many years ago, давным-давно. So we have this, and one day maybe I will start. When you go to bed, tell me. I will come to you and will be prepared for this pillow talk. I'm joking. I will tell you some nightmare stories. We have a good part, and as every coin have a different part, right? So sleepless. We have also бессонница. It means without dream. Without, it means без. Сна. Бессонница. Сон, you know, this is a dream. But if you're without dream, it means без сна. Бессонница. Бессонница. So sleepless. Okay. Insomnia, also бессонница we have, but it's a medical condition. Okay, you know what is the difference, but for us it's almost the same. Just you can try to explain what is the difference, but for us it's the same word, бессонница. Okay, nightmare, I told you from before, right? Nightmare when I come to your dream. It's a nightmare. Okay, I hope not. So, bad dream when I'm in your dream. It means плохой сон. Плохой сон. When I'm coming and telling you, I will teach you Russian, prepare, you have to be ready for it with your book. Okay. Okay. And I hope when I come to your dream, you will never snore. I'm scary. Wait. Snore, it means make a noise, you know it. I'm not snore. I hope. Nobody tell me this. Okay, I hope not. So, snoring, it means храпеть. 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 It means snore, means храп. Храп. If it's an action, храпеть. Я храплю. Ты means you. Храпишь. You have a snore. You are snoring. Okay, I hope you are not. So this I told you everything, and moving there. Doze off. You know, sometimes I'm talking with my friend, and he is, oh yeah, and I can see that he is not answering anymore, and I'm talking like with myself. It sometimes can be, and with you also. I remember it. So never doze off. Go to bed, sleep, and after come back to my conversation. Maybe I will speak, continue my conversation the next day with important information about Russian. So doze off, it means выключаться. And again, fall asleep and awake. Like some part of your dream will be cut. So, выключаться. Выключаться, it's like turn you off, you know? Выключить. Или отключаться. Let's say отключаться, it's better. Отключиться. Отключаться. Or passed out. You know, passed out, выключиться. So, отключаться, it means like doze off. So you fall asleep and come back. Fall asleep and come back. And when you pass out, it means you're maybe awake in the morning, right? So, отключиться absolutely. Отключиться. And fall asleep. So when you are talking, but someone slowly fall asleep. Засну. Засну, you know? So, I don't like when I'm talking about some serious stuff and someone falls asleep. It means it's not interesting, you know? Or maybe I'm so boring. I hope not. So, thank you for your attention today. And I hope next time you will see me also and will not snore and fall asleep.